A Darling Library tutorial. Basic search technique. Keyword searching. If you are looking for an article, go to the database A to Z page and choose a database. libguides.hiu.edu/az/databases. If you're looking for a book or ebook, use our discovery system found on our homepage, library.hiu.edu. Searching by keyword is the most basic search. It may find enough good material that you may not need to search a second or third time. For more in-depth papers or projects, you may need to commit several searches for different parts of the project. Keyword can be any sort of topic or subject, main concept of your paper. If your keyword is a phrase, put that phrase within quotation marks. That will force the search engine to find the phrase and not all occurrences of either word. If your word could be singular or plural, you can use something called truncation. Truncation is a way to replace the end of a word with a symbol. The search engine will recognize it as any number of possibilities. If you were looking up Pharisee, you might want the computer to look up Pharisees or Pharisaic. In that case, you might find that Pharis with an asterisk will find them all. Look for the tips or hints link in each search engine to know what the truncation symbol is. Enter your term in the first search box. Set the menu or tab to searching anywhere or any term, and then hit search. Your results can then be limited by date, language, format, and maybe other things. You can also change the arrangement in most online databases. Usually, that adjustment is above the results list. A more advanced technique would be to use Boolean operators and multiple keywords to enhance your search. More of our tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel. Just search for HIU Library.